Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, dear students, to our science class. Today is Sunday and the date is 2nd of November. Today,
Saturday.
what?
Monday. Monday. Monday.
It's Monday. Hey guys, it's
Sunday.
Monday. I know it's Monday.
This is Sunday.
I said Sunday? Really?
Yes. Really?
Oh, by mistake, I'm very sorry.
Okay, no problem. We know that.
Anyway, it's the 2nd of November, is that right?
Right.
Yes,
Yeah.
okay.
Yes.
Yeah, last period we were talking about animal life cycle and we talked about the frog and how frog can change from one type to another. The tadpole doesn't look like the adult frog at all. Even after 5 weeks, it grows legs, small legs, tiny legs. Then it will grow legs, 4 legs, not only 2. Later, it will the tail will disappear to become an adult frog. So all these changes, what do I call it? When the animal goes through changes, what do I call it, guys?
An adult?
These changes from tadpole to metamorphosis. Good job. Excellent. So metamorphosis means when animals go through real changes. Features are not the same. For example, a tadpole will breathe using gills, unlike the adult frog will breathe with lungs. Okay, guys?
Miss, the adult frog, what he breathe on?
Breathe with the lungs, will take in oxygen and exhale.
Adult frog.
Yes, adult frog will breathe with lungs because it lives above water.
The
And
tadpole.
tadpole live underwater.
They have lungs?
No, gills. So all these changes is metamorphosis. Okay, guys, not only the frog have metamorphosis. Let's see who else. We are going to talk about insect life cycle. Ladybugs crawl up a brick wall. Grasshoppers hop along the ground. What changes did these insects go through after they hatched from eggs? Are you excited to know?
Yes.
Let's learn about them then. Okay. So up there,
Miss?
we have the ladybug, and down here we have the grasshopper.
Wait, I don't know. Miss, I don't know they have a ladybug egg.
Can I tell you something?
Yes, of course you can tell me, Fatima.
I wasn't in the class, but the internet, he get me out of the meeting and come in. I didn't do anything.
Okay, we were just saying what is metamorphosis, and I'm very sure that you know what is metamorphosis.
Okay.
Do you know what is metamorphosis?
Yes.
Yes.
Great. So, changes. Okay, we have 2 kinds of metamorphosis. Okay? Complete and incomplete. What do I mean by complete metamorphosis and incomplete metamorphosis? Now,
Can you enable the chat? I want to tell you something to you.
what?
I want to tell you something in the chat. I don't want anybody to see. Only you.
Okay, Fatima, not now because Miss is explaining for you the lesson. You have to listen to her, okay? Is it okay? Can you wait? And if you want to say something private, you can chat. Write in the chat privately.
You are disabled. You are not disabled.
Put it disable. Disable the chat. Chat disable. Muting.
You mean enable, because disable to forbid you of writing, but enable to let you write. Okay, just a minute.
Let me see it's open. Chat. No. Not open.
It's okay.
Go out of the meeting, Miss. She go.
I think you have to go in the meeting.
Okay, later, yeah, dear, later I will do it. I don't know how to do it now, okay? Now look at the complete metamorphosis, and this is the complete metamorphosis, and this is incomplete metamorphosis. What do I mean by complete? Now let's see. Ladybugs, an adult ladybugs will lay her eggs on a leaf, okay? Then let me change this one. I want to use the highlighter.
This Dan's internet is not good. She's like
For everyone?
No. My internet is. Miss, I have a question.
Yeah.
Why Ladybug she's in here thicker and over here she's long.
Yeah.
What?
She tell you it's me.
Ladybug.
That's why the ladybug in here is like long. And this
It's long, and then when she be a big, it's just be
because it goes through changes, through metamorphosis. See, these are the metamorphoses. Yes. So first of all, an adult ladybug, please guys, can you do not write on my screen? So first of all, an adult will lay the egg on the leaf, and then this is the first stage in complete metamorphosis. This is the first stage in complete metamorphosis.
Can I tell you something?
Later, ladybug will put a larva. Larva will hatch from egg. Just like who?
The larva, you mean the insects?
No, this is the larva. See?
The ladybug is
I know
larva? Miss, the ladybug is larva?
Miss.
Yes.
I know
This
the
is
name of the
larva.
lady.
This is the larva. Larva hatches from the egg. After larva hatches from the egg, it looks different, very different from the adult. Is it the same of the adult over here?
No, this is baby. This is the baby. Then this
No,
is
yeah,
larva.
Fatima. No. Not because it's a baby, because this one is a larva. Look at this larva. Does not look the same of the adult. But if you have a polar bear, a newborn polar bear will look exactly like its parent, but it's only smaller in size. So they are very different, just like these two. They are metamorphoses. Now larva hatches from each egg. Please underline with me, okay?
Oh, we underline?
Okay.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay, right now I gotta underline all of the words.
And the larva looks very different from the adults. What comes after larva? Pupa. Pupa. Okay, and this is the third stage. Pupa does not move as it slowly changed into adult. Then adult ladybug emerges. So the adult stage is the last of the 4 stages of complete metamorphosis. So a complete metamorphosis, how many stages does it have?
1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 stages.
Excellent. So I want you to draw a box 4. It's 4 stages. How many stages?
4 stages. Miss, I want to tell you something.
Excellent. Please, before you tell me, can we complete, guys? Is it okay to complete the lesson?
Okay.
So this is the life cycle of the ladybug. What about the grasshopper? Grasshopper will lay eggs. This is the first stage, and it is incomplete. Incomplete. What do I mean by incomplete? Incomplete means that they are not complete. Excellent. It will the grasshopper will lay eggs. After it lay eggs, what happened? What hatches from these eggs?
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
We call it a nymph or a nymph.
A nymph.
A nymph.
Nymph. Okay. Before that, where does the grasshopper lay eggs?
In the ground. In the ground.
In the soil.
Soil.
Yes. And the grasshopper nymph, young grasshopper, we call it what?
Nymph.
Yes, nymph. This is what hatched from the egg. And it looked like an adult, but it doesn't have hand or
wings.
Are you underlining with me?
Yes,
I like all of it actually. I do it all of it, miss. I am in the last one. I am like.
All right, good. Now, grasshopper nymph, what does it do? It sheds its outer body, covering several times. Each time, its wings become larger and more fully formed. So, all these in one stage. Grasshopper nymph, it will stay a nymph until it molts several times, and later it will become adult grasshopper. And the last shedding, you know what do I mean by shedding?
No.
The skin, the outer layer from the skin, it will dry, and then it will take off the dry skin, and again it will molt and shed again the dry skin. It will take out the dry skin and comes out of the skin. Finally, the adult stage will have very large wing. Okay, this is the third and last stage of incomplete metamorphosis. So, how many stages does an incomplete metamorphosis have?
What you mean, like?
How many stages for incomplete metamorphosis?
3 or 4.
3 or 4. The incomplete?
Incomplete, it's like 1.
Only 3.
3.
3 stages. What about complete?
Complete 4 stages.
4 stages. Excellent. Everyone, do you understand?
Yeah, I meant to say that we have to do 3. Like the artistic. It is 3 and it's complete. Miss.
Yes. Excellent.
Like a chick or ostrich. She has 3 life cycles. The first egg, then
no ostrich, but okay. But does the young ostrich look like the adult?
No.
Why not? It's only smaller.
It's so small.
Yes, only. This is the only change. Look at this one here. The nymph doesn't have wings, but the adult has wings. So is it completely changed? Yes. What about the larva? Does the larva look like the adult ladybug? No. So these are metamorphoses, but the ostrich doesn't have metamorphosis because the young ostrich look like the mommy. Okay?
Okay.
All clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, let's learn about diversity. What do I mean by diversity? Every living thing is different. Even young who have the same parents are not the same. Are you and your sister or you and your brother look exactly the same?
No.
No.
No. My
Even if
brother
you
is
have the
not like
same
me.
mother, the same father?
No.
Yes, you don't look like each other. But what
I
makes
look
you
like my
different?
grandma. I look
See?
like my grandma.
What makes you similar to each other is genes. When you have your grandma genes, genetic, okay? When you have your mother's genetic, what appears the most is what makes you similar and different. But you can tell that all of them are in one family. Is that right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, your mom may give you her eye color, but your dad will give you the type of his hair. Maybe your
No.
grandma will pass. Yes. So you may take some features from your mom and some from your dad, and maybe you take nothing from them, but you take from the grandpa. Why? Because the grandparents gives them to their kids, and their kids, when they have their own young, they will pass it through them. Do you understand?
Um.
Did I confuse you?
Yes,
No, I didn't understand.
Okay. I want you to take a look at these ducks. Look at these ducks. This is a family of ducks, okay? There are some similar and some they are different. Some of them have what? The same color.
One of them. And some
But
of them, no. Some of them, no, are black.
this what makes them different. Now, all living things share traits. These are traits. When I'm talking about the hair color, the fur color, the nose shape, or the eyes. Okay, living things, they share traits or similar characteristic with their parents, okay? Hair and eye color are passed from parents. If you have gray eyes, there must be your mom or your dad have colored eye, okay? Or from where would you get this? Okay? Even talents
Tell you something.
and abilities may be passed on from parents to their children. Maybe your mom know how to roll.
I know.
Yes?
Dance, want to tell you something. Like our parents have like blue eyes or brown eyes or anything, then their child have the same eyes as them. Like that's what
Miss.
Dana, can you raise your voice, please?
I said. When parents have like green eyes or brown eyes, does their child have same eyes as them? That's what you're talking about.
Yes.
Miss, I
They,
want to tell you
they
something
might
too.
have
It's
it,
about
and
the
if they
class.
don't have it, they will pass it to their own kids. Yes, Gamar.
Look, my eyes are like Asaliya, and my daddy and my sister, and my mom is not brown like us. How is this
Yes.
possible?
Okay, one of your parents should have colored eye. Only one of them.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
because you will have 50% genetics from your mom and 50% from your dad.
And my mom, she say, my sister, when she was born, she said I was like this when I was a little baby, and then she said she's like the shabah my mommy when she was
Look
a baby.
like,
She's
you
like
mean
my
look
sister.
like. She look
Yeah.
like, okay, or the similarity. Those are traits. See, when you are talking about the hair color, the eye color, the shape, or the type, or even the abilities, maybe you know how to flip your tongue just like your mom. All these are traits. We call it trait. What do I call it? Traits. Okay, these puppies have the same parent, but they all look different. That's because they have received different features from their parents. Okay, your mom may give you the hair type, but she will not give you the eye color. She will pass it to your sister. She doesn't have to pass everything that she gives to your sister. She will give it to you too. Okay?
Can I tell you something?
Of course, you can tell me.
Okay. Me and my mom, Masalawi, are white. But my two brothers and my dad, no. Like, it's not a lot.
It's fine. It's okay.
Yeah, like how my brother is like my dad, and the hair and the eyes, I think.
Oh, so
And me and my mom, I think like the face, little bit.
okay. All these are traits. What are they?
Great.
Traits.
Yes. Okay, now. So today we learned about, let's write down what did we learn about today? We learned about
Traits.
Traits.
Yay! Metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. The first one.
Metamorphosis.
Me and Dana. Me and Dana.
Metamorphosis.
Metamorphosis. Me and Dana.
okay. We learned that metamorphosis can be
Complete.
Completed.
and in
Complete.
Insect.
No. Incomplete.
okay. So if it's complete, it will has 4
Steps.
Stages.
And it's not this
and
will be
if
like
it's incomplete, it will has how many?
3 stages.
Excellent, Lara Ghayth.
I do it. Not that. I do it. Okay. Me and that right. Why circle? Why circle in here? I want to know
Okay. What else we learned about?
we learn about translate.
The last class.
Traits. Okay.
Miss, can I tell you for the Dana?
Please do not write on my screen.
Okay,
So,
Miss, can I
now,
tell Dana
this is all what we took today. Do you have any questions?
Nope.
No.
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 Question.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to stop recording now. Just a minute.